What's up, FT gang? So here we have our brother at your side, SE630. It is a sewing and embroidery machine, and in the clip we'll insert a clip showing everything the box come and stuff like that. So I SanDisk USB, because you're gonna need a flash drive if you want the insert your own stuff. We knew that is something new we're doing. So right now we opening it. Oh, and this is 32 gigabyte. We just got the highest. This ain't the highest, of course it's more, but we just felt 32 would be enough compared to 16
for us to be beginners.
If y'all know anything about embroidery and sewing, comment and just let us know what what y'all feel needed, about everything, because we're gonna need all the help. This is something totally new.
Right.
Yep. So as you open the box, they give you this. You got the cord. I don't know. We don't know what it go to yet. You got the footer. I know what this is for the sewing. I don't know what this stuff is. Probably
this the plate for what you do. And then this is the I forgot what you called it.
But this probably a sample of what you embroider with or something.
Yeah, I forget. It's in my phone, but I forgot.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
this over here.
This is we can't take it out because that's part of the machine, but this got the scissors in it. This got the scissors, the little screw thing, just whatever you need. This all what it come for.
You can stick that on there.
Okay.
So I don't know what this is. They just fell out, but it just fell out, and
I think that's
this like the little different little
it might be
the thing you change your stuff. I don't know what to really call it. We'll have to go through the manual just to see.
Yeah.
Like I said, we new to this, so don't think we just know, because this is very new to us. So and we will have an up-to-date video when we finally learn what the parts and everything is.
Okay, and then this is the book of what she was saying that we will look at. This all the information in there. This is what we be bringing. So if you get this is what you're gonna have to read.
Okay, this is the machine. This is the machine. I don't know what part of it is. I don't know if this is the embroidery part or the sewing part, but they have another piece in there too that she's going to show.
That's the sewing part.
Oh, okay.
That's the sewing.
Okay.
And this is the embroidery part where she was, this is the part because it go on the machine. And this where your tools and stuff go in for the sewing machine. So we don't want to take it out the plastic yet, y'all. So that's why we're leaving it in there.
Yeah. But that's basically everything we just took out. That's basically what's in the box. And record another little video from my phone showing the stuff we actually took out, so y'all can see a very up close view. And that's basically it. It might not seem like a long video, but it wasn't really nothing to explain because we knew to this.
Stay tuned for the next video.
And we do have another channel. This will be on our business channel. We have a business channel, a vlog channel,
and a main channel.
And a main channel. But this will be on our business channel because we're trying to get more. We don't want
everything in one channel.
Yeah, we don't want business mixed with personal and vlogging and stuff like that. So we have 3 channels. And
Yeah.
it'll be in the description down below.
Peace, y'all.
Embroidery, and then you got the I forget what you call it, but the line of everything. And then, yeah, this one embroidery part. Now you want to switch it. And if you look here, this is the front part of it. And it tells you how to do everything. So you just embroider it when you're actually working on it. Yep. And this is how I'm set up for now. I'm on the carpet, but this is how I'm set up for now. Just little stock paper and stuff for card stock paper and stuff for stuff that's going to go there. What I'm showing now. What I'm showing now is the doors. So we have our different supplies and stuff in here. We have our different supplies and stuff. And then, we show some, we got our it's all been nice set up, so yeah, we see the aftermath, right? And we can start doing videos and stuff. So, it's really neat, just, I'm going to show y'all how it is when you close it up and turn it on. Close it. And we're going to do the close it on me when we do stuff and stuff too, y'all. But we just ain't doing anything on it right now. Let's get the, you want the bottom? Oh, this is the one you need. But I need to take it from there. You know what I'm saying? add it to where you can store them both, you know. Oh yeah, that would be real cool. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, it just got a slide. It's supposed to. Because I'm going to pick it up and switch it, so. Because it's like when you're calling on call with someone who knows, you know. Yeah, we just slide in. Okay, so sometimes you should just put it in another part. But, especially, and then we should take home. Ooh, I like that. Look at that, I'm using a little on media. Ooh, that really blue stuff, the blue tape. Goes to the end. So we know this one, three and stuff. Could they, start us off with three and stuff? Or this was all in there? So yeah, there's a needle. And then stars on the three, no, five and three and stuff. Not the three in there, okay. That's what we're doing. I don't think I already know, I don't think I already. No, I just want. This is where the three go. So you can move and stuff. Yep, we'll take it off and move and put it in front of the yep. Okay. Cheese has red, and we just thought it's gonna be green. Okay, yep, yeah, so